Hey everybody, hey, welcome back to my channel. Hey, in this video we're going to be going through the whole entire decking system, putting the decking down, getting the aluminum railing in. In my past two videos you'll see the first one putting walls up, putting the foundation in, and then the second video is all about us putting the roof structure on, tying into the house. Hey, give me a like and subscribe. Follow all the way through this whole entire job. I hope you enjoy this one. It's a fun one. Yep. Hey, this was a long run of stairs, so we went ahead and put 4 stringers all the way up. The customer opted not to pay for side skirting, but we just went ahead and made the stairs as wide as we could make it, 4 foot, line up with the cement pad, and away we went. Now we can actually walk up on this without walking on 2x4s, and got everything face screwed, put some plugs in it. Everything else was hidden fasteners in the middle, as all the edges were all face screwed. All the steps were face screwed. This part of the process goes by pretty quick once you get a system down. Get everything in, fastened up nice and tight. View over the lake is absolutely beautiful. You got flashing up against the siding, and then we did a trim piece all the way around to cover that edge there right up against the house. Hey, like and subscribe, give me a follow. I'm going to be posting the interior work, getting the drywall on, and we'll move inside, get the windows in. Everything's going to come together real nice. We used an Ultra deck. That's what the customer wanted from Menards. It worked real well. I've used this as more of a cost-efficient effort rather than Trex deck. I always recommend TimberTech or Trex to anybody. We went with aluminum railing. Every piece was individually cut, put the brackets on the posts, and fit it in just perfect. Everything came together real nice. And these posts were a little bit high, so we cut them down. Here, you'll see that later. But this composite's excellent. Easy to clean, easy to wash down. Just rinse it off, and you're good to go. My guys did an awesome job working together, getting this put in just perfect. Once we moved down the stairs, it was a little bit tougher, but we got it. Everything is just a little bit different getting in on angled stairs, but it all went in real nice once we got it all put together. Hey, if you like what you just watched, hey, like and subscribe. I'm going to be posting shorts, reels, TikTok, all the way Facebook, Instagram, everything, showing the progress through this whole entire job. Next video is going to be all about the drywall, the interior work, getting everything put together on the inside, spray foam, everything. You're going to love it. So check it out. Thanks.